Kidzo Kids.
In this video, let us know about technological firsts in India. First broadcasting started from 23rd July 1927 by Indian Broadcasting Company Limited. Indian Radio. All Indian Radio started from 1936, located in Delhi. Television started. Television began in India on 15 September 1959 as an experiment. There were only 2 1-hour programs a week, each of 1 hour duration. Color television started. Color television started in the year of 1979 to 1982. So, the network or a channel is called as Doordarshan and the color system is phase alternating line. Railways started. Railways started in the year of 16th April 1853. So, the history of Indian Railways dates back to over 168 years ago. First electric train. First electric train was started from 3rd Feb 1925. The first electric train ran in India with the inauguration of services between Bombay VT and Kulla Harbar on ex-JIT railway system. First issue of postal stamp. The first postal stamp in India was introduced on 1st July 1852 in the Sindh district. First telegraph line. The first telegraph line was opened in October 1851 in India between Calcutta and Diamond Harbour, a distance of 30 miles 48 kilometers. First newspaper. First newspaper was started from 29 January 1780. Hickey's Bengal Gazette, or the original Calcutta General Advertiser, was an English language weekly newspaper published in Kolkata, then Calcutta, the capital of British India. First atomic power station. First atomic power station started from 28th October 1969. Trapur Atomic Power Station is located in Trapur, Palghar, India. It was the first commercial nuclear power station built in India. First satellite launched. First satellite launched is Aryabhatta in the year of 19th April 1975. Internet came to India. Internet came to India started from 15th August 1995. Internet services were launched in India on 15th August 1995 by Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited. First hydroelectric plant. It is a project with a capacity of 130 watt installed at Sidrampong, Darjeeling in the year of 1897 was the first hydropower installation in India. First nuclear reactor Apsara. Located within India's nuclear weapons facility at the Bhabha Atomic Research Center in Mumbai. The reactor has been recommissioned with double its previous capacity. Apsara is a highly versatile swimming pool type of reactor that was built in August 1956. Thank you kids for learning with me. Bye bye. See you in the next video.